Okay, I'm going to that's when
the returning officer for Kampala Central District.
What?
Very nominated for ministers. For Kampala Central District, declare Chikurwe Abdara Kaigo as a candidate to contest for election as City Division Directed Councillor for Mengo electoral area, contesting under NRM party ticket. I congratulate you.
Mama, you can decide.
As we communicated earlier, the candidate for City Division Chairperson for Kampala Central has arrived. He submitted his credentials earlier. We have gone through them and we have come to terms with them that they are what we need to declare someone a candidate. So he had booked 10 a.m. and I want to thank you for keeping time. And therefore, we shall also do as promised and declare you and let you go and do other things. So the candidate is signing our control form. Then we continue with the declaration. So let's stand up. I, Mugabe Robert, being returning officer for Kampala Central Electoral District, declare Salim Uhuru, duly nominated candidate to contest for election as City Division Chairperson for Kampala Central Electoral Area in Kampala City, and the Uhuru is contesting on NRM ticket. I congratulate you.
Order. Salim Uhuru Subuga, Mayor of Kampala Central Division, at National Vice Chairperson NRM Kampala Region. nesimbyewo kuba position bwa mayor wa Kampala Division. Bannakampala bansabye nkomyewo kisanja kyokubiri. Era mbadde nsaba nnyo babeere bandrating ku ebikolwa. Sagala nnyo nzije mbasuubize ngenda kukola kino kubanga already mbadde mu office